Google Sheets can now think for you. With Gemini built-in, it writes formulas, spots trends, and even builds charts from a plain English prompt. Today, I'll show you how to make your first spreadsheet and let AI do the hard parts. Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. In this beginner tutorial, we'll create a sheet and format data, learn essential formulas, build charts and pivot table, and use the new AI function and Gemini to generate formulas, summaries, and visuals.
AI formula, that's like hiring a data assistant for free.
Exactly. If you haven't worked with Google Sheets before, after you watch this video, you will be an expert on it. Let's get started. First, type sheets.new in the search bar and you are in. Rename top left. I use Sales Tracker 2025. Click the folder icon to move it into a Drive folder. You can also try to create a Sheets from Google Drive, type New, and add a Google Sheets from a blank or template. Columns are counted as A, B, C, and rows are 1, 2, 3. Each cell has an address like A1. You'll use these in formulas. Let's type headers in row 1, A1, months, B1, sales, C1, notes. Type January in A2 and February in A3, then drag the small blue handle to autofill the rest of the months.
This autofill is magical, don't miss it.
You can use autofill for numbers, weekends, and something has its own order. Now enter sample sales in B2 to B13. Let's randomize a bit. Select A1 to C13. Format, alternating colors. Choose a clean style. Click percentage or dollar if needed. Decrease decimals to 0 for unit counts. Resize columns by double-clicking borders. View, please, one row to keep headers visible.
Readable sheet keep us with fewer mistakes.
Now the magic. Create a results area below the table. In A15 type total sales. In B15 instead of writing a sum. Try Open Gemini from the sparkle icon in the top right and type. Calculate the total from B2 to B13 and show it on B14. Gemini will help you generate the correct formula. It should return a sum of B2 to B13 down.
That's incredible. Basically, Gemini is doing everything for you.
Exactly, Nato. It's now much easier for beginners to start using it. Let's try another. Show the average from B2 to B13 in B16. You can also use the AI function. Write equal AI top 3 months by sales and place it where you want the result. Now, let's do something instead of calculating. Select the area your data is and ask, what trend do you see in this sales table? In return the short summary and the graph with the result. Woo! Next prompt, create a line chart of monthly sales. Gemini inserts the chart and labels. No hunting through menus. AI is great, but fundamentals matter. Let's do a few. To sum up the sales result, type in B15 equals sum B2 to B13. To see the average, you type in B16 equal average B2 to B13. Percent of tables, let's type on D1 the following formula equal B2 slash B15. If you want to see the sales percentage of each month, you should set absolute reference on B15. First, you select the area you want to set the absolute reference and press F4. Using absolute reference, you can drag down to paste the calculation on the following cells tool. Name ranges, select B15, click name box, type total sales, then in D2, type this, equal B2 slash total sales. To adding a chart, first you select the range you want to use. This time, A1 to B13, then select Insert and Chart. Switch to line or column. Select Customize. Chart and axis titles, then rename the title to Monthly Sales 2025. Make a column chart with green birds and data labels. Bam! Pivot tables give quick insights without formulas. Select A1 to B13, insert Pivot Table, New Sheet. In the editor, choose Rows equal months, Values equal sales. Add values again and set Show as percentage of column total. This shows totals and each month's contribution.
Pivot table is a skill super useful and easy.
Yes. In the pivot sheet, ask Gemini, show a pivot highlighting top 3 months and color them green. You'll get styling, suggestions, or a new view. For sharing the sheet you just create, click Share, add teammates, and choose Viewer, Commenter, Editor. Use Insert Comment to assign questions with @ mentions. To roll back mistakes, click the clock icon, Last Edit, version history, and restore any point in time. So in this single video, you created a clean spreadsheet, learned core formulas, built charts and pivot, and used Equal AI function and Gemini to speed everything up.
Everything you need to start working in a smart way with Google Sheets is everything in this single video.
Yes, Naruto. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye bye!